Oh, hey guys. It's been a while. Well, sorry I haven't been posting, so I want to do a little bit of a makeup tutorial today. So let's get started. Oh wait, before we start, look. Okay. This is just the front of the table. I have stuff all the way back there and all the way back there. So, just trying to grab the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna use this as my mirror. Okay, so I'll start out with my Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. I don't know what I'm doing, so I usually use a brush, but I think I'm gonna use a beauty blender. Yeah, no, I'm using a brush. Oh, okay, well. This is like an orangish color, but then it goes to like my color, which is like I'm pale but a little bit of tan, so. Okay, I'm not even finished with one side of my face. While I'm sitting here, I'm going to be answering some people's questions that I had read from my other videos. How long does it take you to do your makeup? Wait, let me go look and see if that's the one. Yes. How long does it take you to do your makeup? If I'm going to school, it takes me about 5 minutes. But like if I'm going to the grocery store and like meeting up with my friends and stuff, it takes me about 30 minutes. I don't know why it takes me so long, because like my foundation thing, stick, whatever, is like really hard to blend and stuff, and like all my stuff is hard to blend because I used up all my oil and stuff. So, but it gets easier as it goes. I'd really recommend it though, because it's like very full coverage. And I want all of you guys to add me on Snapchat at Allie. Here, I just leave it in the description box, because like probably don't know how to spell my name. Okay. I'm done with my concealer / foundation, but after that, okay, I don't know if this is the right one. I go on my concealer, I don't know if this is the right one. Yes, I go on this concealer, like another concealer. Concealer over concealer, weird, right? This concealer burns. I don't even know why I use it, but I had a long makeup process, so we'll get back to you whenever this is all blended. So, oh, let's retry that. Okay, well this is all blended. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with my highlighter. Sometimes this highlighter doesn't show up, but sometimes it's like popping. So. Right now it's on the like more of the I'm not gonna show up side. Okay, it's starting to show up, so okay, after I go in with that highlighter, I usually go in with my other highlighter. I mean, I have a lot of makeup sticks. Because it, like, shows up a lot more. But sometimes I don't have to go in with this one. Because, like, my makeup shows up. And now I do my eyes. I'm going to do a black with, like, gold in the middle. So, yeah, let me find all those colors. Sorry if you hear motorcycles in the back. Those are my neighbors. Oh yeah, and I'm taking in a black. Okay, alright. So let me finish that. No, I think I messed up. Okay, right now it's kind of okay. Let me go and black the other eye. Whenever you're done with this makeup tutorial, go to my old makeup tutorial that I did in 2016 or 2017 and watch how much I've improved. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, these are kind of similar, but like not similar. I'll get back with you when I finish this black on my eyes. Okay, well, I'm done with the black on my eyes, so now I'm just taking a concealer and like rubbing and like putting like a coat of that like on my eyelid to put in some glitter. I'm gonna put in some gold if I can open it. This one, I haven't even opened gold yet, and I've got these in Christmas. I haven't even opened it yet because it's been so hard to open. Well, I mean, I can't get that open, so I'm just gonna take the silver and place on the eyelid. And I'm sorry if it looks ugly, like it's where you're not up close, so I'll show you up close when I finish. And I think I'm gonna do some blue eyeliner, but I might go with black because I did a black eye look, so like the black might not show up. So let's get to the eyeliner part. I don't know if I'm gonna do blue or black. Like black or blue. Blue or black. I don't know. I'm gonna like. Let me see. I'm just testing it out. Just testing this out. I think I'm gonna do black with like a little bit of a blue underneath. So we'll get back whenever my eyeliner's done. My eyeliner is finished and it is a very, very bad fill. Of course. It's always a fail. Well, anyway, let me put on my makeup up and then, alright, I forgot I was going to do my blue touch. We'll see how much I've improved. I finished my blue touch. I did it on the wing. So let me put on my makeup up and then I will show you the finished touch. Okay, I'm stuck. Okay. Here's the makeup look. Okay, I'm stuck. Okay, so what I did, I put black eyeshadow with a gold and silver touch. And then did my eyeliner regularly, but it was kind of a fail. And then I took my blue eyeliner and made little wings on my wing. So, hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe. And, yeah. Oh, yeah, and I don't know if you know or not, but I dyed my hair a different color, and I cut it shorter than what it was. So, I got a message. So, subscribe and like my video for more videos every single Saturday. Bye.